hard right at marker, hard right at marker. See marker, hard right.
How was it?
Fun.
Yeah? Most fun you can have with your clothes on?
What are you doing? This thing's cool. Hello, I'm Casey.
And I'm Zach.
This is Zach. This is our car. Beginning of the adventure. Unfortunately, I didn't bring you along with our suspension testing, but this is going to be our first race. I don't know what to expect. We have no experience in this. The amount of work it took to do this thing is actually ridiculous. Good morning. Update. We made it here at, I don't know, what time did we get here last night?
7:30.
7:30. It's 5:35. Qualifying's at 7. Look how pretty it is. Anyways, we'll see if we can make it through qualifying without any issues. What's up, guys? We just finished, what was that? Tech inspection. We're about to stage for qualifying, getting all wrapped up here. So yeah, we'll see how today works out.
Impact's like a fucking armrest now. Do you like it or no? In the way. Something to get used to. Yeah. So it's over that bump and then a 90.
How was it?
Fun.
Yeah? Most fun you can have with your clothes on? Alright guys, I don't have anything to check on you, so head on back to your pit, get hydrated and stuff. We'll see you tonight or tomorrow morning. Take care.
Hello, hello. We just finished qualifying for the day and the fun run. The track's tight. Not a lot of places to pass. Not a lot of places for people to pass us. Hello, hello. Little update. Hot as out here. Zach got a hotel. Literally, we pulled into Tech, which we're walking into right now, at like 2:30 or something like that. And they're like, oh, you're stuck here till 9. We're like, dude, what? So anyway, Zach came up with the idea, let's get a hotel. It's right behind us. And then we can cool off in the AC since it's 105 out here. But I wonder how anyways, we'll check out some cars. How you doing, buddy?
Good, how's it going?
Good.
How was it out there?
It was cool.
It's turns on.
Yeah, and it's super tight.
Yeah.
But I was afraid that it was gonna be as bad as Barstow, and like, dude, it is like nothing like. We're just chilling.
It's like Primo right now. It's
not
gonna be
hard.
chewed up later though.
My officials that support me, our vice president, our race director, our sergeant at arms, our treasurer, our secretary, our registration team. All right.
Just finished. Car survived. Hard to see out there. The people are definitely not gentle when they're trying to get around you. No notification, just ram the shit out of you. We got a couple little dingers you can see. He got us pretty good, but you know, race is racing. Yeah, exactly.
By Ridgecrest Police Department. RCPD. Do you want to stay at the hotel?
We don't even close.
Yesterday, if it's just
What's up, guys?
we did see a lot of spectators.
This is day 2. We've met a lot of people, made a lot of friends. Yeah, this is really cool.
They go, yeah, it's about
Everyone says the track is not very rough. It's beating the shit out of us. It's not as hot today for sure, but no problems so far, so that's great. We did run into an issue down here. Our tool bag melted from the exhaust. Luckily it didn't catch fire or anything crazy like that. No problems so far. Chris ended up winning yesterday, fastest overall. Dude's an animal, actual animal. I'm just happy that we get to do something like this. Like, how lucky are we? And then Zach is driving today. I'm going to be his nav. I'm nervous. What's up, guys? This is just a pre-race update. We're all good to go. Yeah, it's already. We made some friends. They've been helping us out hard. That's super cool. The race starts at 12:30. Yeah, we'll see how we feel after the race. Right now, I feel okay. I just got the safety poop out of the way.
Fuck it. Sorry, guys. Fuck them. All right, here comes the hard right. There's a hard right. Break. hard right at marker. See marker, hard right.
Just got done with our race. Zach killed it. Unfortunately, he ran us out of gas. Yeah, we made it through without breaking anything. There's a lot of dead cars on the side, a lot of really sketchy stuff. But yeah, overall this thing held together. But we got a couple issues. Unfortunately, I got a hole. Whoa. Got a little hole in here. And then both of my GoPros are broken.